ng other uniformed services yung kanilang organization from, of course, we are forefront to a professional organization because of policies, di ba? Ganun yun eh. So, siguro in the near future, we will be focusing on that program also. So that, kung kada, we rebrand also. So, i-change natin yung image ng Bureau of Architecture ng ating kasamahan ng tayo as part of BNP person. So, another thing is,
Yung tropa,
of course,
attending seminars on operation.
when the law was passed, the 1158, it is
Conducted by
expanded the mandate of the Bureau
DepEd
of
National Headquarters.
Noon, ano na lang tayo eh, on 6/75, we, fire prevention and suppression, yung mandate natin. But now, including na yung CBRN and hazardous materials.
Sir,
And even expanding the scope.
mayroon na siya si Clip.
Diba? Noon, hindi natin sakop yung eco-zones, parks, ID parks, and other occupancies. Kasi there is a law na autonomous na. Pero yung interpretation nila kasi iba yung pag-interpret nila under the law creating the eco-zones. Pero very expressly provided na doon sa 1158 na. And even while we are performing emergency medical services during those prior to the passage of the law, doon sa 1158
Magay ka.
expressly
Magay ka.
provided the mandate to respond to emergency medical services. At yun nga yung pinaka-required tayo to have a support service for that. Emergency medical service, special rescue force, and other offices that are na kailangan i-perform yung Bureau of Fire Protection or i-create yung BFP so that it can perform its mandate. So, yun ang pinapagawa natin sa office to re-engineer or to revisit yung organization natin to have attuned to the calls of the time. When we are beefing our logistical yung mga equipment natin, we must also have to beef